Hello everyone, my name is Sudhanshu Suman Patel and today is day 7 of my 90 days English speaking challenge. So how are you there? I hope you are doing very well and everything is going good in your life. So today I'm going to show you where I live and where this place exactly, and I will talk about my village and my life. So actually this is my village which is in eastern UP, and you can see the weather is like pleasant because there are lots of cloud in the blue sky, and you can see also greenery. I surrounded by green lush fields. Here you can see many trees are here. Some trees are mango and some other trees are also here. So I would like to tell you, actually I always wanted to live in a village, or you can say rural area, because I like to live close to nature. I don't like to live in city or metro city because the place is very noisy and there are lots of pollution, and I always prefer to keep in touch myself to the nature. So actually I lived around 8 to 10 years in metro city, and that's why I chosen to live in my hometown, especially in my village. I prefer to go every day my office from here. It's a little bit far away, but yes, I really like to live in village instead of the town. Why? Because it is very simple. We can get here fresh fruit, fresh food, and also fresh air. Weather is also very good compared to city or town. So you can see here we cultivate some agriculture products, like this is a paddy and it is almost ready. We will harvest it in next month. And here you can say groundnut, which is also ready, and we will harvest it within 15 days or maximum 20 days. So we can eat fresh and direct provided by nature. So there is no processed food or chemical food, and it feels like pleasant whenever you live in village and close to nature, because you will get fresh air which is very good for your health, and you always feel energetic, active, due to fresh air, fresh water, and fresh foods, which is direct resource by nature. So I like, if I want, I can live in city, but I don't prefer it. And my family live with me here in my village. My dad, my mom, and my wife, and I have a one kid who is 2 years old. So it good because for his growing initial age, and he is growing, so he can get also natural products. Those are very beneficial for him in his starting life. And also we can get fresh cow milk, natural, without any preservative or chemical for him. So there are many reasons. That's why I prefer to live in village area, because you can feel like very quiet compared to city. City is very noisy and crowded with lot of people. Yes, it's good thing for other terms like business or job, but if you ask me, I really don't like to live there. Yes, if I have any work, like my work related, or to purchase anything, I prefer to go there nearby town or main city, which is around 25 or 30 kilometers from my home, and go there, purchase goods, and just come back to our home. But if you say to live there, it is very difficult for me, because already I lived in a metro city around 8 to 10 years, and I experienced very well. And I'm hoping in future, wherever I will live, I will always try to live close to nature, which is surrounded by lush green trees, waterfall, or agriculture fields. So it's like a feel me good. It's very, it means these things are attract me. So it's like my home place, and you can see thank you for today, and I will connect you again tomorrow with new things. Thank you so much.